Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we solve the multiple choice questions of a burns unit in a subject medical surgical nursing. Before starting the topic, I request you please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now we start with the MCQ of a burns. Now first, exposure to expectorants and smoke may cause. Options are A. Thermal burns, B. Radiation burns, C. Chemical burns and D. Inhalation burns. And the correct answer is answer D. Inhalation burns. Now second, what are the main cause of death among people who initially survive a severe pain? Options are A. Fever, B. Bacterial infections, C. Severe dehydration and D. B and C. And the correct answer is answer D. B and C. That is bacterial infection and severe dehydration. Third, burns are classified by degrees from first to third. Which of these describe a third degree burn? Options are A. Burn area is larger than 5 inches across. B. Burn area is on the face. C. Burn area covers 10% of the body. D. Burn extends through all the skin layers and tissue. And the correct answer is answer D. Burn extends through all the skin layers and tissue. 4. In the case of a chemical burn to the skin, how should the affected area be treated? Options are A. Wash the area with soap, B. Flush the area for at least 20 minutes with cool running water, C. Apply an ointment or butter, and D. Cool the area with ice. And the correct answer is answer B. Flush the area for at least 20 minutes with cool running water. Fifth, rule of 9 to estimate surface area of a burnt patient was introduced by. Options are A. Mortis Kaposi, B. Alexander Wallace, C. Joseph Lister and D. Thomas Burley. And the correct answer is answer B. Alexander Wallace. 6. Deep skin burns is treated with. Options are A. Split thickness graft, B. Full thickness graft, C. Amniotic membrane and D. Synthetic skin derivatives. And the correct answer is answer A. Split thickness graft. 7. The cold water treatment of burns has the disadvantage that it increases the chances of. Options are A. Pain, B. Exudation, C. Infection and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is answer C. Infection. 8. Pus in burns form in. Options are A. 2 to 3 days, B. 3 to 5 days, C. 2 to 3 weeks and D. 4 weeks. And the correct answer is answer A. 2 to 3 days. 9. In 9S rule, anterior thorax comprises. Options are A. 18%, B. 27%, C. 9% and D. 19%. And the correct answer is answer A. 18%. 10. In burns, heat loss is due to. Options are A. Dilatation of veins, B. Shock, C. Exposed area by evaporation and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is answer C, exposed area by evaporation. 11. One of the following is not seen in severe burns. Options are A. Hypovolemia, B. Sepsis, C. Duodenal ulcer, D. Hyperthermia. And the correct answer is answer D. Hyperthermia. 12. What step would you take to maintain adequate gas exchange in a burns patient? Options are A. Elevate the head of bed, B. Tracheobronchial suctioning, C. Oxygen administration, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. 13. In 9S rule, lower extremities both comprises. Options are A. 18%, B. 9%, C. 1%, and D. 36%. And the correct answer is option D. 36%. 14. Severity of burns depends on. Options are A. Burn size, B. Location of burn, C. Depth of burn, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is answer D. All of the above. 15. The topical antimicrobial agent commonly used in a dressing of burns patient is. Options are A. Ciprofloxacin, B. Penicillin, C. Gentamicin, and D. Silver sulfadiazine. And the correct answer is answer D. Silver sulfadiazine. 16. To prevent hypothermia in a burn patient, what step will you take? Options are A. Limit hydrotherapy treatment session, B. Cover the patient with sterilized sheet, C. Provide heat lamp if necessary, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is answer D. All of the above. 17. In 9S rule, both upper extremities comprises. Options are A. 18%, B. 36%, C. 9%, and D. 1%. And the correct answer is answer A. 18%. 18. The burn injury occurs due to contact with strong acid, alkali, or organic compound is known as. Options are A. Thermal burn, B. Radiation burn, C. Chemical burn, and D. Inhalational burn. And the correct answer is answer C. Chemical burn. 19. How should the eye be treated if a chemical splashes into it? Options are A. Let the eye tear to wash the chemical out, B. Cover the eye with a loose moist dressing, C. Use milk to flush the eye, and D. Flush the eye with clean drinking water. Correct answer is answer D. Flush the eye with clean drinking water. 20. Electrical burns can be caused by household current, certain batteries, and lightning. What should be done first after a person has an electrical burn? Options are A. Put ice on the area of contact, B. Cover the burn area with a blanket, C. Be sure the person is not in contact with the electrical source, and D. None of the above. And the correct answer is answer C. Be sure the person is not in contact with the electrical source. Thank you friends. For more videos, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this video channel. If you have any comment, then please mark a comment in a comment box.